the second one.
It's not going away.
I'm done.
Okay. Hey, so I'm here today with Cody, with one of the MRN sales associates and the host of the Hot Market Talks, and I just wanted to ask him a few questions of what is your overall experience with OTBx?
It's been such a great experience using OTBx for shooting Hot Market Talks, you know, doing all our real estate reels, photos. It's incredible how fast you guys have turnaround time. The content is just so incredible, especially with the editing of Hot Market Talks. I could not have the traction or success that, you know, we've gotten without you guys. Especially like our reels. I find the reels that you guys do for, you know, like my real estate listings especially, like it's perfectly edited, I guess, to say. Like I don't know how you guys do it really. It's like a magic wand to me.
I just snap my fingers and it's done.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. So
yeah.
Everybody that shoots for us, you know, whether it be on-site or off-site, you guys are always very responsive. There's always such a huge support system in place coming from you guys, so
it's always fun working with you guys. So
yeah, I love you guys.
So Cody suckered me into once again trying out some hot sauces, and this time I'm actually gonna eat a whole wing. Usually I do a little dab of my finger behind the camera, so I
just want to show how much I love you, and this is the only way I can express it. So.
Yeah, sure.
So you ready?
This is called, this one?
Yep.
Mr. Pain. I've had it before. I don't want to dab.
Now we're gonna get Ryan to eat a whole wing. Unfortunately, Tracy was not able to make it today. I don't know where she is.
Yeah, I have no idea. Hey, how's it going?
Oh, she's behind the camera.
Oh, there she's behind the camera.
Oh,
all right.
You
Tracy,
ready?
you might have to drive me home. Oh my God.
Cheers.
Yeah. Yeah.
How's that? Uh-oh.
Oh, we're swore. It's the same as last time. Yeah, overall it's really hot. Like, really hot.
How you feeling? Is the heat temperature going up? Your neck's getting a little red.
Oh. I'm calling in sick for the rest of the day. Woo.
Ryan's like shaking right now.
It's not going away. Yeah, I'm done.
So up next we have Tracy.
Yeah. Up next we have Tracy.
Yep.
Or she's fired.
Yeah.